Hello and welcome to the WildFly YouTube channel. This is Emmanuel and I'm going to show you how you can develop a WildFly bootable jar application on OpenShift. So what we're going to do is we are going to use the remote macro profile config application, which is an example from the WildFly jar maven plugin. So the first step is to build the application to create the bootable jar. So this is a very simple web application that uses macro profile config to expose some configuration properties, and in order for this to work we need to be able to access the WildFly management API. So we are executing this anonymous management script in order to disable the authentication on the management API and to make things easier for us. Okay, so the jar is built. So what I'm going to do now is connect my OpenShift sandbox. Okay, I'm on the topology page, and I'm going to take the bootable jar and drop it here. I'm going to change the icon to the Wi-Fi icon to make it nicer and create. Okay, so this is going to build the application, the deployment, and here we are. So like I said, we need to access the management API of WildFly. So for this, we need to expose the 9990 port. So to do that, we need first to create the port on the service and then create a route to it. So the first step is to create a port. We go to the service, and here I'm adding a port on the service YAML file. And save. Okay, and if you go back here, you can see that we have another service port 9990 that is available. So now we need to create a route. I have a simple way to do it with the proper OC command. So let's do OC create route, and we call it management remote macro profile config bootable, and we're targeting the same service, remote macro profile config bootable and the port 9990. And here we have our two routes. So now if I go here, that should be this one. Yeah, and we can see the three config values that are displayed by the application. I'm going to start the devwatch goal. So I have a nice command for this. I'm going to pass it here. I'm going to call the goal devwatch, and I'm passing parameters to it. So one, which is the fact that we're going to connect remotely to it, that we're going to connect on SSL, so we're going to use HTTP remote plus HTTPS, and the port is 443. And the host name, I'm going to use the OC command to get the host name. Yeah. And here we go. So now we have the devwatch goal that is running, so we need a new console to be able to do things. So, okay, here we are. So, let's first edit the property file. So the property file is here, and let's call it hello world. From a properties file, here we go. So I've saved the file, and if I go here and reload, you can see that the properties has been updated, and that now it's exposing the new value. If I did the source code now, source main Java, here we are. Let's say I want to change here the path and use /hello, and let's say I'm going to change the config value 3 and say hello world from my code. We save, we go here, we reload, nothing. Yeah, because we switch the path, so we should be targeting hello, and here we are, and we can see that the config 3 value has been updated. So we have seen how easy it is to develop a WildFly bootable jar application on OpenShift. without installing anything locally, and I hope you enjoy it and see you soon. Have a good day. Bye.